What's cracking, adventurers? So those of you who watch my stuff would know that when I go shark hunting, I call it predator versus predator. Last night we went shark hunting, and let's just say I didn't win this time. Check this. Yes, dis 'n monster. Hoor hierdie ding gaan my spoel. Hierdie ding is besig om my te spoel. Ja.